In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your domain settings over on Squarespace, a powerful platform that many use to create stunning websites. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user looking to make some tweaks, understanding how to navigate your domain settings is crucial. So let's dive right in and explore the steps to ensure you're optimizing your setup correctly. First, let's start by heading over to Squarespace. You can easily access their site by typing squarespace.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with the stylish and intuitive interface that Squarespace is well known for. If you haven't already, make sure you're signed into your account. The sign in button is usually at the top right corner where you can enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, focus on navigating to your profile. This is generally located in the top menu bar. Click on your profile picture or the little icon that represents your account. From here, you'll see a drop-down menu with several options. What you're looking for is domains. Click on domains to open up the settings specific to your domain needs. Now, this is an important part. Within the domain section, look for the option labeled DNS. DNS stands for Domain Name System, a critical component that helps direct internet traffic to the right places on the web. Clicking on DNS will further open up DNS settings. If this is your first time, don't worry. These settings might look a bit technical, but they're straightforward once you get the hang of it. Once you're in the DNS settings, you'll want to locate the option that allows you to add record. This function is pivotal when you're updating or creating new pathways for web traffic associated with your domain. Whether you're setting up email forwarding or pointing to a new web server, Add Record is the button you'll click to start the process. Now, depending on your specific needs, you might choose different types of records to add. Common options include A records, CNAME records, or TXT records, each serving a different purpose. Make sure you know the specifics of what you're looking to achieve, and if you're unsure, Squarespace has detailed documentation to guide you through each type of record. So there we have it. With these steps, you'll have set yourself up for success in managing your domain on Squarespace. This process is essential for guiding your website's online presence and ensuring all your web traffic reaches its correct destination. If you've followed along, congratulations, you're all done. Remember, practice makes perfect with these settings, so don't hesitate to explore further and see how these tools can work to your benefit. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, Squarespace's support team, along with a myriad of resources available online, will always be there to help you along the way. Happy website managing!